Welcome to the Tap and Share Help Center. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your Google Review device using the Tap and Share VIP platform. Before you begin, please make sure you have an active Tap and Share subscription, your device's access code printed on your device, and your Google Review link. Step 1. Visit vip.tapandshare.online and sign in with your email address and password. If you've just subscribed, please wait until you receive the welcome email containing your login details before attempting to sign in. Step 2. Click the New Profile button in the top right corner to create your first device. Step 3. Enter a name for your device, such as Reception, Front Counter, or Sydney Branch. Next, enter the Tap and Share access code printed on your device. Please make sure you enter the code exactly as shown on your device. If the access code is incorrect, your device will not activate. Finally, paste your Google Review link into the redirect URL field. If you don't already have your Google Review link, please watch our separate tutorial before continuing. Once you've completed all the fields, click Save to activate your device and complete the setup. Congratulations! Your device has now been activated and is ready to collect Google reviews. You can view and manage all of your devices from the Profiles page at any time. If your subscription includes multiple devices, simply repeat the setup process for each additional device. If you need more devices or would like to upgrade your subscription, visit tapandshare.com or contact our customer support team. If you can't see the New Profile button, you've reached the maximum number of devices included with your current subscription. Congratulations! Your Tap and Share Google Review device is now fully set up and ready to collect more Google reviews. Thank you for choosing Tap and Share. If you need assistance, our friendly customer support team is always here to help. In our next Help Center video, we'll show you how to manage your devices and view your analytics from the VIP platform.